Good morning. Welcome to part 2.
Good morning.
We're in, I wonder if anyone can guess where we are.
LAX.
We're in an airport. We're heading out to Colorado Springs today. And we found a Starbucks.
Well, we're slowly making our way to it. It's
in a different terminal.
Yeah, we were in the wrong terminal to get a Starbucks, so we have to like go around it. But
Oops. I didn't even know you could walk between terminals at LAX.
why wouldn't they be able to?
You always just enter where you're supposed to go.
Yeah, but transfers are like
Yeah, but each
Connecting
terminal
flights.
has their own
yeah, but if you're
airline.
going from a Delta to United,
well then that's screwy.
well, I'm just
Can
saying.
you do that for a layover?
Oh, I'm sure
Go
it's been
between
done
different
before.
airlines? I've never done that.
Of course.
I've
Place-
never done that.
I think you can. Because think about it, if you just buy the separate flight, but you are the one that does it,
Yeah, then
then if it's cheaper somewhere else or whatever.
that would take
do
forever.
that. Yeah, really.
That would take a lot of time. Do you want to tell your joke again?
I wonder if they have any California milks.
Just a few.
You know.
Casual. We have to split up now. It's very sad.
Yeah, we'll be okay though.
It's only 2 hours.
Yeah, it's all
I got Hallmarkies to listen to. I'm like 20 episodes behind, guys. I'm a bad podcast host.
no comment on that.
Hey, have you been listening to my podcast? Yeah. Oh, okay. If you were on a podcast, I'd listen.
I know you would, but I don't listen to podcasts. The only ones that I listen to is like the Health Code, and there's one other one, but
I don't want to.
it's pretty much why our
Are you salty about this?
no. It's dirty.
Already?
Want a rustic
Wow, you were made to be famous.
veggie. Oh, the
Are
rustic.
you talking to Roxy?
Yeah. She's so charismatic.
She's so charismatic. You're so funny.
Alright, so Jessica's mom just got a new car the other day and she got like a brand new Jeep. It's really, really gorgeous. So now we're driving around other dealerships to see if we can find Jessica a Jeep because she's looking for one currently. So yeah, I'm in the car now. We're at a Dodge dealership in the middle of Colorado. I don't know where I am. This morning at 5 a.m. I was at LAX and now we're test driving a car?
Life is unpredictable, you know.
Apparently.
What time is it? 1:30.
I'll blur out if there's a number behind me. Yeah, there is. Anyways, we got our nails did.
Yep.
Dude.
Very well done. You know.
English. I've got English in my brain.
We're just waiting for my dad to come get us.
Yeah,
so we
we're
can go to
the
our
cast
senior meeting.
of a bad teen movie standing at the end of the driveway waiting for her dad to get home. Her dad, not my dad.
That was her idea, not mine.
I don't know, I'm bored.
She's got imaginational skills that I do not
I know.
possess. I really hope he doesn't think we're meeting there.
We'll text and ask
I don't
him.
think he thinks we are.
This is my first time eating Jimmy John's. I'm really excited.
I've already cheated it. Ate some of it already.
It's fine. I'm excited though.
Hi. You uploaded a video?
Oh,
When did you do that?
last week.
It was scheduled. Why didn't you respond to me?
I don't know, I'm sorry.
Your teacher.
It's like 11:30 at night. but I got my Dutch Bros. I'm really happy about it. But I'm gonna go sleep now. I'm not drinking this whole thing because it has coffee in it, and I want to sleep. Good morning, guys. Day 2 in Colorado. I have no idea what day of spring break it is anymore. I've lost track, but I woke up actually a couple hours ago, but Jessica's been at school, so I've just been chilling, watching YouTube videos, but she gets out of school like in an hour, I think, so maybe I should venture upstairs. I don't know. What am I doing? So, I don't drink coffee, but this thing I got at Dutch Bros last night has coffee in it, and it's so good. I love Dutch Bros. Is there a puppy coming to see me? Pokey! Hi, Pokey! Hi, babies! Oh, yes. Hi, baby. Hi, Munchkin. Hi. Did you have a good sleeps? Did you have a good sleeps? Good girl. So it's been like a solid 10 hours since I vlogged, but I'm gonna go watch Keeping Up with the Kardashians with my cousin. Should be interesting.